Welcome to another video here on Webmaster-Deals. Starting from today, I will create some videos with new tools we will be using in our studio to produce content for you. I just bought the Davinci Resolve Speed Editor because the guys from Blackmagic announced an amazing deal. They offer you for free the Davinci Studio 17 when you buy a Speed Editor. And you know we like deals very much. If you want to enhance your ability to cut and edit your video faster, then I highly recommend you to buy a Davinci Resolve Speed Editor. So, let's see what's inside the box. The Davinci Resolve Speed Editor is a specialized keyboard, or it is also called a controller. It puts a lot of functionality on a dedicated keys and a wheel. The controller is supposed to be used alongside the regular keyboard, or maybe you can use it with the Stream Deck from Elgato. We will have soon a tutorial how do we use it in our studio. The device is roughly 25 cm by 16 cm in size, and it has a metallic look, despite it is made out of plastic. The Speed Editor uses a USB-C connection, but it also has built-in Bluetooth to operate wirelessly. There is no on and off button, but there is a battery indicator within Davinci Studio when running the panel through Bluetooth. Plus, the Speed Editor is only on when Resolve is active. The device has a single USB-C port to plug it into your computer, but thanks to the built-in Bluetooth and battery, it does not need to be physically connected. By the way, I noticed that my Speed Editor did not arrive with a USB-C cable. There's been some slight confusion as to whether the Speed Editor ships with a USB-C to USB-C cable. As you can see, mine came without a cable, but it's not a problem at all. I have plenty of cables around. I hope you enjoyed this small video unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in the Davinci Resolve Speed Editor and if you want to see more videos. I'll see you next time.